Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about bank reconciliation statement after cash book amendment. In practical situation, what we do not prepare just a bank reconciliation statement, but we prepare an amended cash book, and then with that balance we prepare a bank reconciliation statement. So let us see how it is done. So before going into the problem, let me tell you one thing. So what are the rules for preparing BRS with cash book amendment? We will adjust those items in the cash book which have already been entered in the passbook but omitted from cash book and errors in the cash book. These we will adjust in the cash book. Again, we will adjust those items in the BRS which are pending due to time lag, that is checks issued but not presented and checks deposited but not credited. Also, any error in the passbook will be adjusted in the BRS. So this is the rule for preparing BRS with cash book amendment. তাহলে cash book amendment সহ BRS preparation এর রুলটা কি? আমরা cash book এ কোন আইটেমটা অ্যাডজাস্ট করব যেটা পাসবুকে অলরেডি এন্ট্রি হয়েছে কিন্তু cash book থেকে অমিট হয়ে গেছে, এবং cash book এর এরর গুলো। BRS এ কোন আইটেমগুলো নেব, সেই আইটেমগুলো অ্যাডজাস্ট করব যেগুলো পেন্ডিং ডিউ টু টাইম ল্যাগ, যেমন চেকস ইস্যুড বাট নট প্রেজেন্টেড এন্ড চেকস ডিপোজিটেড বাট নট ক্রেডিটেড। এছাড়াও পাসবুকের যে কোনো এরর বিআরএস এ অ্যাডজাস্ট করা হবে। So let us come to the problem. In problem it is given that on December 2019 the cash book of Ashim showed a debit balance of rupees 900. On examination of the cash book and the bank statement, it was found that checks amounting to rupees 1250 which was issued before 31st December and entered in the cash book were not presented for payment until December 31. Checks of rupees 650 deposited before 31st December but not credited before 31st December. Next is checks received from debtor rupees 250 deposited into bank and dishonored, but the matter was not informed by bank, so it was omitted from the cash book. Dividend of rupees 100 was credited and bank charges 75 debited directly into the bank account, but nothing was entered in the cash book. Again, direct payment made by bank rupees 250 not entered in the cash book. Bank charges of rupees 50 was entered twice in the cash book. Check drawn by another customer was wrongly charged to Ashim's account rupees 125. So it is given make appropriate adjustments in the cash book to bring down the correct balance and prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2019. So let us come to the cash book. What is the opening balance of the cash book? First, it is given that the cash book of Ashim showed a debit balance of rupees 900. So opening balance of cash book rupees 900. Then what is the next adjustment? Checks amounting to 1250 which was issued before 31st December and entered in the cash book were not presented for payment until December 31. So this item, as per the rule I have told you, will be adjusted in the BRS. So we will leave this adjustment for now. Next, checks of rupees 650 deposited before 31st December but not credited before 31st December. Again, these will be adjusted in the bank reconciliation statement, so we will leave this adjustment for now. Next, check received from debtor rupees 250 deposited into bank and dishonored, but the matter was not informed by bank. So this item will be entered in the cash book. It will be entered in the credit side. This is the credit side and this is the debit side. By customers, by customer account in bracket check dishonored. What is the amount? It is 250. Next, what is the next adjustment? Dividend of rupees 100 was credited and bank charges of 75 debited directly into the bank, but nothing was entered in the cash book. So we need to enter these figures in the cash book. Dividend of rupees 100 was credited. First take up this thing. So we will enter this thing, this adjustment in the debit side to dividend. Dividend of rupees 100. In the amount column we will write rupees 100. Next, bank charges of 75 debited, but we have not entered the same in the cash book, so we will enter the same in the cash book now. By bank charges 75. Next, direct payment made by bank rupees 250 not entered in the cash book. Bank has paid a direct payment but it has not been entered in the cash book. So now it will be entered in the cash book by direct payment. What is the amount? 250. Next, bank charges of rupees 50 was entered twice in the cash book. So as this is an error of the cash book, it will be rectified in the cash book. So the adjustment will be to bank charges. Entered twice, rectified. What will be the amount? The amount will be 50. What is the next adjustment? Check drawn by another customer was wrongly charged to Ashim's account rupees 125. This is not something which will be adjusted in the cash book. This item will be adjusted in the bank reconciliation statement. So let us balance this cash book now. What is the total? $1050. You will write this amount in this credit side also, and we will balance the cash book by balance CD equals to 1050 minus 250 minus 75 minus 250 equals to 475. So this is the balance or the closing balance of the amended cash book. Please note that we have prepared the cash book with bank column only, as because we are preparing bank reconciliation statement with amended cash book, so we have taken into account the bank column of the cash book only. Now let us come to the bank reconciliation statement after amended cash book. So bank balance as per cash book after amendment, what is the balance? It is 475. Now what will be the adjustment made? First, this one, checks amounting to rupees 1250 which was issued before 31st December and entered in the cash book were not presented for payment until December 31. So checks of rupees 1250 issued before 31st December were entered in the cash book but were not presented. So cash book has been reduced and passbook has been increased due to this adjustment. So we will add this, add checks issued but not presented for payment. What will be the amount? 1250. Now what is the next adjustment? Checks of rupees 650 deposited before 31st December but not credited before 31st December. So cash book has been increased and passbook has been decreased. As we are preparing BRS with cash book balance, we will deduct this amount less checks deposited but not credited within 31st December. What is the amount? 650. Next, what is the remaining adjustment? This is the remaining adjustment. Check drawn by another customer wrongly charged to Ashim's account rupees 125. So Ashim's account has been reduced. So passbook has been reduced. So we will reduce the BRS. We will take this item under deduction items or deduction column. We will deduct this item as because we are preparing the BRS with bank balance as per cash book. So check wrongly debited from Hashim's account. What is the amount? It is 125. So all the adjustment items are entered. Now we will prepare the bank reconciliation statement. This is 1250. Now if we total this 475 plus 1250, it comes to 1725. Now let us total these two amounts. It comes to 775. Now if we deduct this 775 from this 1725, we get 950. This 950 is the bank balance as per passbook. So we had started with bank balance as per cash book after amendment, which was 475. We have adjusted these figures, some are added, some are deducted, and at the end we have come to the bank balance as per passbook, which is rupees 950. So this is how bank reconciliation statement with cash book amendment is done. Hope you have understood what I have taught today. If you have any sort of doubt, feel free to comment and ask me. I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching this video.